So welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Flipkart order. So Flipkart has done a weird thing, like they have hide the cancel order option, so you can't see here. So you have to go to your order detail and help option. You can see help option, click it. So you can see cancel order option. So cancel your order. After that you can give reason anything, and you have to type comment, like for example you can write anything. I'm going to write something, okay, cancel. So you can see cancellation confirm. So Flipkart has they charged you with platform fee like 5 to 7 rupees or protection fee 99 rupees. So they don't refund if you cancel your order, so they will charge you some fee if you cancel your order or order. So for example, this platform fee non-refundable. This is very weird thing.